aha venue turi ya University in kandi na Spice Naija yabase kubona ikaho yasa kubana yariyo na testinga kureba ecyoma cyankigambaje cyankitamburaje kandi uko abase kubana abaherezaje ekimu kumwe expectinga mo kwasa kubana abahereza so nyina tugamba mu nawe kimwe biri atugambira yetebekana isata ekintu kiri kita nanda ku performance yene kuberye teye kire cyabo kuborere yakiremo mu town Spice
wanje
jebali
ndi bulungi gamboti
ndi bulungi
yesebo
turi ku venue kati kubate wachari kuranga
turi ku University in milyango jagudde odda chateka mpola ebisigalidde ebitini ennyo but everything is ready. Yeah.
Omuhajizi wawe ori omukahate shaheji bari amaduka bari nkebe bareba hati nibenda kumanya Spice nice cyo batebekanisizo bere kibarije ne expecting
basubire ebirungo byokka Spice performance buli kimu kigenda kuba kya birungo byokka. It's going to be a night to remember. Trust me, we shall have a good time. Yona jemvudde yona jempise ndekayo vibe njerere. So tonight is going to be different. Kubakati wano mpuliranga this is my family's home. So ntegese bingi for you tonight. Yeah.
Twakureba wa stage sound kuwa checkinga mu arebe choma kiristano range za kukorera cyenyine cyo tuplaningire.
Yes, no single. Exactly, no single, everything is perfect.
Omuntu nakurebesha heje nonda kumumanyisa ngo stage noza kureba toshazinge koza abantu ntwenda bataka hika kandi bakajya nyowe na hikaho akeshongoro kanje akiyanyeshongorire kahonsanura nashanga yaherze keshongwa.
Abo natugenda buyimba ngonna kuvaka osanura je natandikira musheshe ndi mulavu zonna what they have to do mujje mu budde mukwato obudde oleme kusibwa moment neji nemu because I have my friends abagenda okumperekerako banji. Palazzo is already with us and so many artists we nabana bewaffe wano Hailey Baby nabala Ambroy so many talents kuva mu Mbarara so mujje in time tubenga tunyumirwa you don't miss any moment. Yes
kokuba obiro bwingi kokuba ya stage aho kubogire ku performing anokera kugira okuwa kwa tom audience okajotora kunyehuro rukunye basayije mwe myenda antabo bagambire abakwe basabije betekateke
kacyako
warorobera ku stage no gamba wari wa ansobola nari nya ku stage
netwala of course expect anything from me nze vibe kasteba vibe tunyumirwa aneuliranga ja ngatuba omuziki ngankwatamu bamusheshe aliyeyo that's me I'm a person of vibes, good vibes, happiness. That's me ekituka ku vibe enungi I'm in.
So abantu bije emiryango negura shazinga
by sawa what the time now
sawa munana
sawa 10 just come ebisigadde bateka it's going to be done in the next few minutes but we are ready ebyokunyawe ebiri security gulu we actually ready right now galo kujajangu kati
mwebale mnonga turase kwa nturengaho mubase kwijam hagere Spice Naija yashikiremo mu rurembo rwa Mbarara abakwenda kunyumira music yeye muje mbase kwa no umutwaro gumwe gonka VIP
onyumira VIP mtwale bidi table mitwala 5 muje tunyumire muje mumpagire Mbarara ndi musheshe wamwe teri mulala gwe mgena afuna musheshe alingaze
bawe makapera tubaleke tugende tubagende
abana gwa musheshe gwa nkote ne gonkutulo mutimolali city regular ya dobo wala bube fasa nze city regular kama nsirwa chimbagamba city regular I'm telling you. Yes.
Press conference